first time at the ODA conference. I just graduated last year, took some courses, and I'm on the exhibit floor. So I'm learning lots and meeting a lot of cool people.
This is my first ever time at the ODA conference, and I've been loving it so much. I came here with a lot of the students that I know from school and getting to know all the different reps and just the suppliers and everything that has to do with dentistry.
So we did a lot of sessions. We went all around the convention. It was a lot of fun. Learned a lot. Got to see a lot of new products and equipment that could be used in our practice, which is awesome.
I learned a lot. Everybody was great. A really nice vibe.
This year the floor has been quite busy, the activity level's been great, we've made lots of good contacts, so really enjoyed this year's ASM from the ODA.
Hi, we're here at ODA ASM 2023. We're talking with Homa Jamadiabadi. And Homa, congratulations first of all on another terrific event. And so tell me, I think you guys had a specific theme for this year's ODA ASM.
So our theme was Stronger Together. And what we mean by it is, as a profession, if we network together, learn together, we are stronger together. So at this show we have dentists, denturists, dental technicians, dental assistants, dental hygienists, office managers, and of course all the people who are exhibiting for us, and together we will be stronger. So there's a lot of exciting features. You know, we have an oxygen bar that is really fun. There's a massage station, there's a cooking exhibit, but the newest thing is a live dentistry stage. So we have on a live patient a root canal being done in real time that you can sit and watch, and then we also have a CAD/CAM crown prep, so a high-tech crown prep that you can sit down and watch right on the exhibit floor on a live patient.
And, you know, certainly I've been down both days. The show seems lively, busy. Any stats or figures you can share with us?
So our stats are really quite amazing. Last time I checked, we were over 11,000, which is incredible for an in-person event. And I mean, the floor is just buzzing. The lectures are full. And there's just so much energy and activity. It's been wonderful.
Well, the ODA ASM is always a great event. This year was certainly no exception. And I'm sure we will all be looking forward to joining as a person again next year for ASM 2024. Homa, thank you and congratulations on a great meeting.
Thank you so much, Melissa.